My microphone is not mute, no? My microphone mute? Mute? No. So why you can't hear? Please disconnect yourself and connect again. Cannot hear your voice properly. Somagni also. All have written. Can you hear better? Now you can hear? You cannot see? Okay. Camera is okay, beta. Now voice. You can listen my voice. You can listen to my voice. Okay, very good. Then start now. Please listen carefully. You all received your exam schedule. Exam schedule you all received? Okay, very good. Okay, fine. You got your exam date? Yes, okay, fine. And now you know you all will follow your Skype group and your school website. There all the instruction will be given over there. You will follow that. Okay. You have 20 marks exam. This exam is assessment 1. Okay. This is 20 marks exam and 20 objective questions will be there. Okay. 20 objective type questions will be there. 4 options will be there. In time, which date suppose you have exam on 2nd maths. On that day, you can see the link and in time you can open. Before the time you cannot open. If the exam starts in 10 o'clock, then 10 o'clock you can log in and 10 o'clock you can start your exam, not before and not after also. And you have 20 minutes time and after 20 minutes automatically your paper will be submitted and you can submit also, their option will be there, you can submit your paper also. After 20 minutes your paper will automatically submitted, okay. And if you want to, in 20 minutes, if you want to change the answer, suppose you have done question number 2 wrong answer, you have ticked, so you can change it, no problem, but after 20 minutes you cannot change anything and no need to refresh. When you solve the paper, when you will solve the paper, no need to refresh and no need to press the back button. If it is open once, you just solve the paper one by one. 20 questions will be there. Which one is the correct answer? You just tick over there. That will be color. And if you want to change, you can change also, no problem. But no need to refresh and no need to go to the back. Okay. And all objective type questions and from PT1 chapters. Okay. And from PT1 chapters. Okay. Let's start now. Today we want to start a, can I tell the names please? আমি এখান থেকে বলি তুই চেক কর। Okay. I want to roll call beta. Ahana Pamin present, Oshmit Mondol present, Ayush Pal present, Devapriya Mukherjee present, Devoshmita Majhi present, Kaushik Ghosh present, Kritika Pal present, Liza Khatun present, Potrali Roy present, and move, go up, Potrali Roy present, and Purbayon Mondol present, Shivam Ray present, and Shrestha Ghosh present, Shobangni De present, Sudeshna Pal present, Sujan Parvin present. Done? All present. Who was absent? The name?
Samriddha Mondol
and
Ishita Roy.
Oh, Samriddha and Ishika absent. That means 16 present today.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then let's start now the new chapter. Today I want to discuss a new chapter. Chapter number 6. Chapter number 6. Okay. Okay, beta. Let's start now. I cannot write in my copy. Why, Kaushik? I can write in my copy. Which you can want to write? No, no need to write anything. Everything, all the instructions will be given in the school website and your Skype group also. Okay, you follow that. You all please open page number 39. It's a new chapter, chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, footprint. Footprint. What's the name of the chapter? Footprint. Okay, so let's start now. Bholu and the footprints. They have a story. I want to explain the story. Sujan, who told to write the chapter name? I already written on the board. Chapter number 6 and page number 39. Please open. Bholu and the footprints. Okay. One day some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. One day some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. Okay, and all of a sudden, what happened? All of a sudden, an elephant shouted, "Run, run, go to your home, run, run, go to your homes." Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera. Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera. So all the baby animals ran away. All the baby animals ran away. When Bholu came with his camera, then what happened? One day in a jungle, a muddy road, some baby animals was playing, and all of a sudden what happened? An elephant shouted, "Run, run, go to your home. Please go to your home." Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera. Okay, so all the baby animals ran away. All the baby animals ran away. And when Bholu come with his camera, all he saw was the footprint of these animals. What he seen that he saw footprints of these animals. Who was there? One elephant, one cat, frog, hen. All the animals was playing over there. So look, these are the footprints. These are the footprints of elephant. This footprints is like that, and this is cat, and this is hen, frog, all are there. These are the footprints of frog. This is the frog, and this is footprint of hen. This is elephant, this cat, and frog, and hen. These are the footprints of animals. Okay, what Bholu saw? These are the footprints. Okay, when you walk, and if your feet has the mud or water, and when you walk, you can see your footprint. Okay, so draw the footprint of a dog in this box. Can you draw the footprints? You all please turn over the next page, page number 40. Page number 40. These are the footprint, and dog and cat are the same as, but little bit bigger. Cat, these are the cat footprints, and this is elephant's footprints, and you have to draw, and this is the footprint of frog, and this is the footprint of hen. So all of you, Sudeshna, yes, you can draw. You all please draw in the blank portion. Draw the footprints of a dog in this box. In this box, you all please draw the footprints of a dog. This type of footprint of a dog. You all please follow, please all of you draw, because dog have 4 legs. So 4 will be there. 4. Please, all of you, please draw in this blank portion. Draw here footprint of a dog. So all of you, please draw. Yes, very good. But 4 will be there. Sujan, 4. Because dog has 4 legs. 4 legs will be there. Okay. All of you, please switch off your camera. Front camera, please switch off. Okay, very good, Sudeshna, completed. Now, next, let's see. Make the footprint of your friend on the floor. It is similar than yours. When you walk, and suppose you have friends or you have sisters or brothers, you can watch your footprints. Your footprint and your friend's footprint is like similar, okay? And yes, done, very good. Shrestha, where is your book, beta? You don't have book? Okay, Oshmit, very good, completed, very good. Make the footprint of your friend. When you will walk, you take your footprint with on the floor. You can take your footprint with a chalk. Okay, very good, Sujan. Okay, Lisa, very good. Devapriya, very good. Fine. Now, when you walk, you will take your footprint with a chalk or a pencil. If you want to take a pencil, then you have to stand on a paper and you can take. Otherwise, with a chalk on the floor, you can take your footprint, you can take your parents' footprint, your mothers, your fathers, your grandparents, and your brothers, sisters who have with you. Okay, you can take their footprint and you just notice what is the difference. Okay, and now trace and gaze. Ron is now your and your father, your and your friends' footprints will be similar, okay, not same but similar. Trace and gaze. Ron is tracing a leaf. You also collect few things like leaves, pebbles, a stick, a bangle, bindis, and trace each things here. You just collect leaves, bangles, okay. Suppose this is a pen, you just take a footprint of like things, you can trace, and etc. This is like a stick. Suppose this is like a stick. If you have the stick, you can take a stick and take the footprint in this manner, okay. This is the footprint of a pen. This is the footprint of a pen, and this is a duster. This is the footprint of a duster, and this is the trace. This is not footprint, their footprint. This is the trace. I am tracing pen. I am tracing a pen, and I am tracing a duster over here. This is the duster. This is pen, and look. This is a cap. This is a cap. Trace, keep and trace. Okay, these are the different. You will collect few things, leaves, and don't trace a leaf. You untrace it. Okay. Collect few leaves, different type of leaves, and trace, and you will collect bangle, your mother's bangle or your bangle, and bindis and stick, straw. You will collect and draw, trace here and trace here. Keep the things and trace. Okay, okay, beta. And today I want to trace, show it to you. I don't have actually leaf over here. If you keep a leaf and trace, you will keep leaf and trace in this portion, okay. You all Mango leaf is like like that. You take and trace. Don't need to drop. Please collect these things and trace. Okay. Bangle, bangle. Sudhasna, bangle, bindi. Bangle means chudi. Which one you wear in your hand? Bangle. And bindis. Bindi means tip, tip. Okay. Different type of bindis. You can trace. You can trace leaves, you can trace straw, you can trace bindis, you can trace bangles. Okay. Next math. Go to the next part. You all please collect and trace this portion. No need to draw. You will collect and trace any 2 or 3 objects you will collect from your home and trace over here. Understood? Understood, beta? Okay. Next part. Ruhi made 2 different traces of the same bowl. Ruhi make 2 different traces of this same bowl. What is this? Look over here. If you, this is a bowl. Suppose this is a bowl. This is a bowl. And if you trace it, this side and this side, 2 different will be there. Look, this is open and this is just opposite side. 2 sides. If you trace it, take a bowl and trace. If you trace this side, it will be like that. And if you take the bowl, and this side like that. Okay. This is this side trace and this is opposite side. Okay. Okay, beta. Now, how did Ruhi keep the bowl to get to different traces from it? How did Ruhi keep the bowl to get to different traces from it? The 2 they are keeping in the another way. One is just open, just we can keep the things, and another way you just opposite side we can see. Look for other things like Rohi's brush which can give many different trace. You can collect different things and you just trace and you can understood. Yes, yes, Pubaran, here we have to write, but here is no spaces. How did Ruhi keep the bowl? How did we keep the bowl to get 2 different trays from it? First is front and second is back. Yes, first is front and second is back. You can write here. You can write over here. First is, first bowl is front and second bowl same bowl, but the different way they are keeping. And second one, first one is back. It is a back, it is a front and it is a back. Okay. Okay, please write down over here and next turn over the next page, page number 40, next page number 41, page number 41. Look for other things Ruhi bowl which can give many different traces, and you can take the different things and yes, okay, Shrestha. Do at home. Do at home. Listen, all of you. on a newspaper, trace the hand of the different people of you in the family. You will take a newspaper, all of you. You will take a newspaper. Can I rub this? The first one is front and the second one is back. Now, do at home. Which one? You will take a newspaper, old newspaper, you will collect from your home and trace the hand. This is my hand. I will trace this. How to trace? In this way. I hope you all know how to trace your hand. Look. You all please take up old newspaper. You will collect a old newspaper from your home. And this is my hand. This is left hand. And if the right hand, you can trace your right hand also. In this way, you take a paper and trace your family member's hand, okay? I cannot draw in left hand properly. Okay, this is my left hand and this is right hand. Okay, so you will just on a newspaper trace the hands of different people. Different people means your hand you will trace your mother's hand, your father, your grandmother, grandfather, your sister, brothers who are in your home, who are in your family. You will trace the hands of different people and ask your friend to guess which trace is of your hand, and you ask your friend and you will trace it, and no friend, if you have no friend in your home or in outside your neighbor, then you ask your parents, your sister which is yours, and which is your mother's, which is your father's handprint. Okay, you can ask and ask your friends to guess which trace is your hand, your mother's and your father's, etc. Okay, Didi, what happened? You all will collect a newspaper and trace your handprint, and you will trace your hand, your mother's hand, your father's, your sisters and your grandparents also, and you can ask to them which one is your handprint, which one is mother's, which one is your father's. Okay, I am fine, Lija. Okay, you all, this is your homework, you all will do, and next day I will see who have done and who have not done. And now you have exam, you all will practice PT1 syllabus. And next, read and draw. Read and draw. All of you, please follow me. And this is your homework. Do at home. Take a big newspaper and trace your family members' handprint. Okay. Read and draw. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on chair. Tamanna and her mother sitting on a chair. Tamanna is reading a storybook. Her mother is reading a newspaper, and her mother is reading a newspaper. And Tamanna and her mother are sitting on the opposite side of a table. Opposite side of a table. Draw the missing things in this picture. Which is missing over here? Which is missing in this picture? Page number 41. Page number 41, which is missing? Okay. Yes, the table is missing. Yes, very good. Sujan, you can draw. Here, I cannot draw the mother and daughter. I cannot draw them nicely. But there you can draw Draw the table. You can draw table in this way. How to draw the table? I am showing it to you. Here, in this way, you just draw the table. Okay? And mother is sitting. I have to rub the board. Suppose this side sitting. And the mother is sitting. So please draw a table in this way. Please draw. Who can draw nicely? They can draw. Please draw a table. Table is missing in this picture. So draw a table here. Okay? Yes. Draw a table. Okay, beta. Today this much. Next class I will collect and you also collect more fun with tracing. Next class I will discuss page number 42 and I will collect. You all will collect sharpener, eraser, spoon, bus ticket, coin, straw, matchbox. If you have in your home, you will collect and sit. When you will sit for the class, you will collect with this. With this, you will sit because that day we will trace. I will show it on the board to you. Okay? Bye, beta. Bye, all of you. And practice in your home for the exam.